my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. My name is Moon, and I've got a fun little unboxing for you today. This is a small item. It's an SLG that I ordered from Etsy, and it is a Louis Vuitton dupe. So it's a piece inspired by Louis Vuitton. It's not a replica, but I'm so excited about this and I can't wait to dive in. Before I do that, I just wanted to say that it's been a hot minute since I made a video on my channel. I made a bunch of videos and I guess I needed a bit of a break, and I'm back now. I'd like to get into it and engage with this community because I love the handbag community on YouTube, and I'd like to do some comparison videos, some updated reviews. I have a few other items coming in the mail that I'd like to unbox and share on this channel. There's a lot I have to say on the subject of handbags, okay? A lot on the subject of SLGs. I'm always watching videos on YouTube about that. I just, have been consuming more than creating. So I'm looking forward to getting back into all of that. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing of this little item, shall we? So like I said, it is an SLG item that I ordered from Etsy, and I just kind of got curious about dupes. I have actually a good amount of Louis Vuitton in my collection, and I'm a huge fan of Louis Vuitton. As you know, if you've been watching my channel, you definitely know that. But the prices are going up, and they continue to go up. And so purchasing kind of new items, I'm just thinking through it more. So I thought a dupe is a good way to sort of experience a new item without breaking the bank. And so I'm just going to experiment with that a little. But oh my God, here we go. Look at it. This is the item. So it says, "Thank you for your order." This cute pink little sticker. Can you guess what this might be with the rectangular shape here? So I'm going to put this packaging aside and I'm going to go right for it. I'm kind of nervous, because it is a dupe, and I'm just wondering, what's the quality going to be like? Am I going to like it? Oh my God.
Wow.
What the heck? This looks really amazing. Look at that. So this is a wallet, as you can see, in the Damier Ebene-esque print. There's no Louis Vuitton logo on this, as you can also see, but it's got that well-known checkerboard print if you like Louis Vuitton. But I am looking at this, and I have to say that the craftsmanship on this looks amazing. Look at that stitching. This looks phenomenal. I am really floored right now. I'm shaking because I feel like it's not a Louis Vuitton item, but I'm feeling like I just got a Louis Vuitton SLG. It's not. I mean, again, no logo on there, but I just love the checkerboard print, and I feel like, okay, I'm going to really enjoy this particular item. And it was more affordable. I will link it down below and maybe on the screen put the cost of it. I'm forgetting the exact cost. So actually, if I go in and see, did they include a receipt? Oh, I'm not seeing a receipt in there. So yeah, I will put the cost on there. Now let's, just for fun, compare this checkerboard print to my authentic Louis Vuitton piece. So I can see here that my authentic Louis Vuitton PM cosmetic pouch is lighter in color. This seems a bit chocolatier, but it's only putting them side by side. Just looking at this, I don't know if I would immediately notice it, but you can see that the squares on the Louis Vuitton piece also seem a little bigger. So again, inspired by, and not an exact match, but a match enough where I get the thrill of something that looks like the Damier Ebene print. So it's got this gold closure here, which I guess you twist to the side, and then it opens like that. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's got such a nice interior pocket in there. Wow, I just love it. I just love the quality of it. I'm so floored. So this right here is nothing. It's just the button right there. You couldn't slip anything in there. And then there are a number of card slots on this side. There are one, two, three card slots, 1, 2, 3, and a good size pocket. I know I could fit my cell phone in there, though I'm recording with it right now, right? So I couldn't show you. And then there's this zipper. So again, no logo on there, it's just plain. And ooh, that's a nice zipper. Wow, that's really nice, actually. And here is that pocket, like for coins. And then this other pocket with card slots on the side. So there's a lot in here for cards. I mean, you could really fit in at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could fit 14 cards in the slots there. So that is a really good deal. Wow, I am so floored by the quality of this piece. I am super excited about it. And I feel like you could carry this as like a little clutch even. If let's say this was in your bag and I've got my Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM in the back here. I'm just gonna bring that. This doesn't have any items in it. I just have like a cushion in there because it's been in my closet. But I mean, my God, this matches so wonderfully. And again, it's not an exact match, but really it's close enough. And this does not break the bank at all. It was, I think, I want to say $30, $40. But again, I would have already put the number on the screen so we'll know. But oh my gosh, I just love this item. So I'm curious to just compare it to my Louis Vuitton wallet. This is one that I purchased from Fashion File. And this is the Emily wallet in the Damier Azur print. It's authentic Louis Vuitton. And compared to this, just to give you a sense of the size, I mean, it's really an exact match. If you look at that, the Damier inspired wallet, as you can see, is thicker than the Emily wallet. There's more space in there. I'm just gonna open them up to compare the inside. I can definitely fit my phone in the Emily wallet. So looking at the inside there, you can see you've got like 2 slots, bigger slots in this particular wallet than in the Azur wallet. You know, so there you go. Anyway, I'm so excited to add this to my collection, and I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. And again, I'm so excited that I did not break the bank with this purchase. And, you know, I'm opening up to this world of dupes lately. And I've also ordered another like 3 items that are dupes. A couple of them are bags. So I'm just curious to kind of check out this world. I've done it in the past before. And some of the items I ordered, I think like last year, I ended up returning because I didn't like the quality of them. And I also wasn't sure, like, did I want dupes in my collection? But as time has gone on and as prices have gone up, and as I've built a substantial Louis Vuitton collection, but still enjoy purchasing items in that similar print, it's nice to know that I have this option to experiment with something that's in a similar print, doesn't have the logo, but kind of, you know, gives me the experience of an item that would otherwise be a much larger investment. Ordering a wallet like this could be, I don't know, somewhere between $600-700 or $1,000 US. So to be able to get something like this and save all that money, if I was using an item like this and I thought, you know, I really, really actually want the authentic Louis Vuitton in this particular piece, I don't want the dupe, and I really love it, then I could go ahead and make that investment. But I think a dupe is a good like middle ground where you can experience an item and see if it works in your collection and see if you actually want to invest in the Louis Vuitton version of the item. So anyway, those are my thoughts right now on dupes. Thank you so much for watching this little unboxing with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. I would love to have you follow me, and stay tuned. I'm planning to put out a lot more videos. Bye. Have a good week.